But I want to formally welcome everyone for attending today's meeting to launch the new orthopedic operating room construction project.
It's a great day for me personally, a great day for my colleagues. We've been working a long time for this. But more importantly, it's a great day for Erlanger Health System and the patients.
It's a piece of a comprehensive program that we're all very proud of. And again, thank the leadership for recognizing the potential that we have to take this program to the next level.
We're taking a sledgehammer.
Woo! Take my straight.
We're getting this done quick. I've been waiting a long time for that.